What is up, motherfuckers? It's your motherfucking boy, Doydi Cat, and today we will be making pancakes. I'm quite tall. You don't really see what I have with me. I have a lot of stuff. Got this bowl. This. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. I'm just gonna go get right straight into it, because if you know me, I'm a cooking expertise. That's who I am. Let. So we got some fucking flour. I need to put some flour in here. Approximately 2.5 deciliters of fucking flour. I guess that's what I'm gonna use. It's gonna be fucking phenomenal. Don't worry. There. Easy step. You see? Flour? It's amazing. Okay, so the next step, we gotta whisk some milk into this flour. Now, I don't wanna whisk myself, so I just got this mixer, and I think it's gonna be fine. Got the fucking recipe right here. By me, by myself. One deciliter. I'm doing it a little bit. Then we get the stand mixer. It's gonna be fine. Woo! So we got the butter in this little container. I'm just gonna fucking microwave it, make it fucking melt. Because this method works fine. This does not fucking smell like butter. I've just realized that's not butter. So we got some butter in here. Looks very nice, very cozy. Just gonna pour that in. We need 3 in fact. They're quite small, so I'm not probably gonna use 4. I'm honestly just gonna pray that no shells get in here, because I really don't want to fucking fish some of them up. Salmonella, am I right? I should not have said that. Now we're gonna add some salt. And it's pretty much done. The batter's pretty much done. GG folks. Half a teaspoon. What is that? That's like half a teaspoon. You don't understand. I'm very frustrated with making food. I'm just gonna pour some salt in my hand. I have washed hands before making this. That was just an estimate. We know we're the cooking expert, fucking Gordon Ramsay of YouTube right here. So yeah, I'm just doing what I want, man. So we're gonna whisk this together. Okay, I'm gonna begin because this actually has to sit for like 30 minutes. And when I'm back, I'm gonna make them pancakes. Be right back, guys. So this is going here. This is my pan that I'm gonna be using to like, you know, aluminum foil. This is my plate to keep them warm when I'm done making them this. I'm gonna do the fucking dishes now, because I don't want to use the dishwasher. Too much fucking work. Yo, so one thing that occurred to me while making these pancakes is I have absolutely no idea to know when they're done. Because I don't really make food. I don't. It's gonna be trial and error. It's gonna be great. Gang. Yeah, let's see. And if the butter makes it worse, it's not my fault. It's the fucking supermarkets for marketing it the best butter. Yo! What is up, man? We do be making them pancakes now though. I'm not gonna be doing any fucking flipping, because I know if I do that, they'll go straight to the ground. We also got some of this. It's not really butter. You're supposed to you're supposed to cover the pan with butter or something like that. Pancake pan. You're supposed to cover that with butter. I don't really want to do that. I got told that this is fine and it works, and I'm just gonna use that. It's gonna be really artificial, but you know what? Everything here is artificial. I definitely do need a little bit more. Jesus Christ. You know, the first one you make is always gonna be a little shit. It smells like it's burning. Oh well, let's get one on. This does not look nice. This looks very wrong. I don't. Okay, we're definitely not gonna use this one. So shit. But this has always and will always be the most disgusting thing you've ever made. Do not touch the pan with your hand. This feels more like an egg roll, I think. It smells good though. It smells good. That's what the fuck I made. That looks disgusting. But you know what? Trial and error. That was what I said. Look at this shit. That is not a pancake. That is not a pancake. So what have we learned? I'm shit at cooking. Oh, I can definitely flip it. I'm gonna keep this one. It looks trash, but I'll keep it. It's actually not that bad. We're doing a flip, boys. We're doing a flip. Don't worry. Oh! Look at this. You know, that's a good sign. If your food is like is just good enough that you wanna eat it, it's fine. This is a pancake. Do it again. Yo! Oh my god, no. Ow! Ow! No? This is my only good one. Please. There. Honestly, you know what this is? This is not me cooking, this is just me flexing how I can flip pancakes, dude. No cap. Like, Jesus Christ. I'm just gonna fast forward till we've made all the pancakes. Let me see that. This slaps ass.